Hello and welcome to the Doll Antiquarian and Miniature World. Today's video is going to be about this antique doll and the Chaise Lounge that is behind her. I will get up closer so that you can see her features towards the end once I tell you more about the doll. So she is an 1835 pre-Greiner paper mache head doll. Now, today I'm going to call her a girl doll and not a lady because her neck is short and full, and often we distinguish the difference between a lady and a girl doll by how long and slender their neck is. So she is our paper mache girl doll today as we talk about her. I believe that she is wearing her original dress. If it's not original, it's been on her for quite some time. I just can't tell. It's in really nice condition. So I guess that's just something I'll just never know for sure. She does have glass cobalt blue eyes, and her arms and hands are in the kid leather, and her torso and her legs and her feet are made out of a material and stuffed. So because of that, she is fairly light in weight between her head and her body. And I think there's a good reason for that. In the early 1800s, they would put surcharges on the weight of anything that you were shipping. So you would not want anything to be heavy. You would want it to be as light as possible so that you didn't have to pay more in taxes and shipping. And I think there's a lot of dolls at this time that might be one of the good reasons why they are lighter. So I'm going to show you more about her dress. And something that I think is very interesting, let me see if I can get the camera a little closer. This part of her dress here comes all the way from the back. It's an extra layer that goes all the way around her dress, comes over to the front, and then has these covered material buttons that come over to the front. And I love that. If I lift up her dress, you'll see her petticoat. Again, let me see if I can put the camera down so that you can see more of that. There is a paper tag that came with her, and it just explains that, you know, how old she is and what she is and more about her eyes and everything. So I have left that on her petticoat. And then if I lift up her petticoat, you will see her panelettes and her stockings and her shoes with the buckles on them. So I'm going to move the camera a little closer so that you can see more of her face and her eyes. You can see her cobalt blue eyes. Now, obviously, there's some wear on her face. Her eyebrows are very little there to see, and her nose, her cheeks, and her chin have a rub. And her hair, for the most part, is good, but there is some rub on that as well. She does not have any cracks or crackling, so thankful for that. But I'll spin her around so that you can see her hair with the curls. And then I wanted to, as I had said in the beginning, to show you about this Chaise Lounge. I don't know if it is a Salesman sample or if it was made for a child or a large doll. It's in pretty tattered condition. It's exactly the way that I got it. You can see just little remnants of the color that it once was, which was probably this beautiful blue. The material is in quite bad shape. Does have the trim that's still tacked on. And then you can also see, I guess, what they originally used to stuff it. If anybody has any ideas as to what they think it may be, Salesman sample or what, put it in the comments below. I would love to hear what you have to say about it. So that's today's video on this antique doll. And I do have more dolls that I'd like to make videos on and show you. And also our new series, the Antique Dollhouses. There's one video that's up on the channel, and there are more coming because we have more dollhouses. So check that out, and we will see you next time. And thank everybody for subscribing, and we will see you later. Goodbye.